As far as you guys in the beginning, you know how good, everything's great, but you have some bumps. And so that's how today was. It was raining, I was so sad. It's like, why I gotta rain today, the whole week? It was just nice outside, it was beautiful. Today, this morning, it was raining, but it turned out to be sunny outside. So I want to highlight that, this sunshine home.
So I just want to say to the happy couple, to many, many years of love, joy, and peace. Happy memories to Mr. and Mrs. Ortigue.
Flying, chasing every beam of sunlight. We're running after all the color, galaxies we will discover up above the ground.
This is not the beginning of a new relationship, but an acknowledgement of the next chapter in their lives together.
Nothing else we need. 30,000 feet, the clouds go by, we're going faster. It's just you and I.
This is a day of great celebration
We don't
and reverence on which we come together before God to recognize and commemorate the sacred love and dedication shared between these two people.
Just you and me alone, here in our Neverland. Come take my hand and we'll fly like airplanes.
Sabrina and Tug, thank you for allowing us to be reminded what true love is. The both of you guys creating this one big family.
Don't just wanna float around for nothing.
So you guys are pretty much doing us a favor too by creating this family. We're all a family down.
Looking up above for navigation. There is nowhere we can go when we leave the ground below. 30,000 feet, the clouds go by, we're going fast.
Like I said, thank you for allowing us to intrude you guys, love. Thank you for the free bar, appreciate it, thank you. Free drinks, free drink. Thank you. I'm sorry, I should have taken my shades off, I'm sorry. But just thank you guys, it's beautiful for having Nyla.
Here in our Neverland, come take my hand and we'll fly like airplanes.
My goddaughter, beautiful, thank you so much. Oh, you did me a favor by seeing this. This is what love is. This is the definition of love. We see it.
We'll fly like airplanes. Soaring through the sky with you, I'm fine, not scared of falling.
Rodney,
Captivating sights.
do you take Sabrina to be your lawfully wedded wife? By making this commitment, you are joining in the sacred covenant of marriage.
You and I, our dreams inside, our dreams inside. We don't need the world below. We'll fly like air.
Do you promise to honor him in love, to be sensitive to his needs, to comfort him in difficulty, like when his favorite football team doesn't win very often, and to put your full and complete trust in him so long as you both shall live?
I do.
By the power vested in me,
I do.
by this great state of New Jersey, I now pronounce you, Rodney and Sabrina, husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Sometimes as people, we get sidetracked. What's really important. So what's really important is love. No matter what happens, at the end of the day, we still have love one another.
Sabrina is gonna do an amazing job being a wife because I've seen firsthand the love, the care, and the kindness that you have for those that you love. And in the last few years, I've seen you grown even more. And I have to say, Rodney, I think it's because of you. You are very mellow, chill, like nothing gets to you, as far as I know anyway. And my sister has that, you know, fiery Latina attitude inside of her, so they balance it really well. What I'm gonna say is when each of you has to decide, why did Rodney do this? Why did Sabrina do this? Make the choice to say he or she did it out of love. They didn't have any bad intentions. It wasn't out of anger. Choose to say that they did it out of love, and that'll help you to know how to react.
So I love you, bro. And whatever you need, I'm here for you. I'm sorry not to Rodney Lark Teague. I love you, bro. You know? And you're right here, no matter what you need, Nyla, Sabrina.
I love you. Rodney, welcome to the fam. So I just want to, as Mr. Al Green would say, I just want to wish you guys much love and happiness from the bottom of my heart. So I love you guys. Keep it short and sweet, baby. Nina, I will be waiting for you.